Good afternoon, sir. This is our market review for today, July 1, 2020, Wednesday. So, ilipat muna natin yung scorecard dito sa ating Excel. So, for AUD, positive 5. CAD, positive 3. Euro, 0. GBP, negative 4. JPY, negative 4. NZD, positive 5. USD, negative 4. Next is filter out lang natin yung mga blanks and invalid. And then, filter din natin yung mga below 5. Okay, so ito na po yung target natin na i-check ngayon na pairs. First is OJPY with a buy bias. So, target natin is dito sa line na to. Nag-set tayo ng buy limit with SL of around 60 pips and TP around 318 pips. Next is AUD USD. So dito yung buy limit natin. Set natin yung SL dito sa around 50 pips. And then TP is around 141 pips. Next is CAD JPY, buy bias pa rin. So, nakaset na yung ating buy limit dito sa line na to. And then, set yung SL natin around 50 pips. And then, yung TP is set to around 95 pips. Next is Euro AUD with a sell bias. Okay, set natin dito yung sell limit. Mag-set tayo ng sell limit. And then, SL is around 50 pips din. And then, yung TP is 158 pips. Next is Euro NZD. Sell bias ulit. So, set natin dito yung sell limit, TPI around 223 pips, and then yung SLI around 60 pips. Next is GBP AUD, sell bias din. So, set tayo ng sell limit. And then SL is 48 pips. And then TP is around 100 pips. Next is GBP CAD with the sell bias. So, set natin yung sell limit dito sa line na to. SL natin is around 50 pips. And then TP is around 111 pips. Next is GBP NZD. Sell bias ulit. Set natin yung sell limit dito sa line na to. And then SL is around 50 pips. And then dito natin lagay yung ating TP around 108 pips. Next is NZD JPY. Buy bias naman tayo. So, sell limit, buy limit natin is dito sa line na to. And then TP is around 94 pips. And then SL is around 40 pips. Next is NZD USD buy bias. So ganun din, set natin yung ating buy limit dito sa line na to. Ang SL natin is around 50 pips with TP around 151 pips. And last is USD CAD sell bias. Set natin yung sell limit dito sa line na to and set ang SL around 50 pips, and then TP is around 176 pips. That would be all for today, sir, and happy trading.